Today's about the market here at Rincon de Guayabitos. Why? Because it's Monday and that's the market day. So they have it here in the centro or the town square. They have all sorts of stuff for sale here. They've got carvings, jewelry, food. They've got live entertainment, leather goods, mezcal, clothes, you name it, they had it. So we'll pick it up here about 10:30 in the morning when we got to the market. We're going to wander around here. We're just looking for a couple shot glasses. So we'll see how much that costs, if we can find something we like. And we just kind of want to see what they have here because we have not been to this market before. So you'll see what we see. Hope you brought your pesos with you. Let's go. What's your face? We're at the Rincon de Guayabitos. You say it. We're at the bar. How do you say it?
I just say Guayabitos.
You say it with a G?
I used to say it with a G, but just a little bit.
Alright, we're at the Rincon Guayabitos market in Centro. Just looking around, give you an idea of what there is to see here. Lots of crafts and stuff. We were hoping for a little bit more food than we see. But there's some burrito tacos that caught our eye on the way in, so I'm sure we'll head back and we're going to get some of those. Haven't bought anything yet, but we
haven't spent any money yet.
Not yet.
Amazing.
Pretty heavy.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think you'd see wool here.
No.
Which one you like? Almost 3.
This market's only open between November and March. If you're outside those months, you won't find it there. Kind of like that one. Los Ayala, sure. Ooh, I like that one. The fish.
Ooh, I like that one better.
Yeah, me too. Some nice colors on the left here.
Yeah, some of them are really bright and nice.
Yeah. Look at that one with the face.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there's two different ones, two different colors.
Is that all there is?
One of the guy over there had some too. I'm waiting for you.
They're cycling.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Maybe take some pictures too. I can't only get such a wide range. You can. Give me the camera, I'll do both. Centro, I just realized it. I'm standing right in front of it. What's this over here? Food? Lasagna to go. Pierogies for a dozen.
Hola, homemade
Hola.
pasta. We have lasagna, Italian sausage. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Oops,
The
wrong way.
gnocchis,
Gnocchis.
spinach gnocchi. You would like to taste? You would like to taste, ma'am? Hola, ¿cómo está? Muy bien. ¿Jesús es italiano?
I don't know. I don't love it, I don't hate
Fry
it.
them at home, right?
Gracias.
Yeah.
Hello.
está, papá?
Hola, amigo.
Hola.
Sí, simple.
We got some cheese. Oh, jalapeno. You know I'm into that.
Jalapeño, manchego, Buda. Hola.
Oh, that's great.
Manchego, jalapeño,
Oh, Oaxaca.
Oaxaca cheese, that's right.
I've had it before.
It's fresh, it's cheddar,
Buda,
it's strong.
cheddar strong.
Jerky.
Jerky. Strong cheese, cheddar, Chihuahua natural,
I know.
Oaxaca express.
Get some fresh bread. Hey,
Our glasses from Beth and Sarah.
oh yeah. Oh, what do we got going on over here? It's like the bulk farm?
Yeah.
Mexican bulk farm. Ooh, so that stuff's got hot stuff all over it.
Oh, yeah. Candy.
What are you doing? Just standing there?
The little deer heads and stuff that he makes out of string. It's pretty crazy, really.
All this one made.
Yeah, neat.
This one here is woven string. All this string. The names I can make a name now. We'll do it fast. 10 minutes only. You color any name.
Very cool.
So we lost you. You went. I thought you were maybe buying something.
No.
The wraps and stuff.
Hola,
in there.
avocados.
Not sure.
What's that? Avocados he's selling.
This is the last one.
Crazy.
Avocados?
Compares to home. They're so big.
Yeah, there's some
Double or
over there
triple.
Yes,
too.
this is the last one.
Go this way,
No, quickly, the production is.
That's something like my brother be doing.
What's up, dog? Any of these?
No.
You want a picture? No. I just wondered if you thought that was something you were looking for.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
They look the same to me. There you go. Is that a wrap?
Yeah, no.
Dogs. These dogs. These dogs. very pushy market, eh? Very relaxed.
Yeah, no pressure really at all.
No.
Okay, and we'll see you. Yes, and we'll see you later at. Yeah, back home.
Back home, más tarde.
Yeah, those are good for
Should we get some shot glasses?
I thought there'd be more food.
Go around the front again.
you, buddy? Not Cuban cigars?
No. No, I'm not a big cigar guy. Thanks though. What is it? What is it? Pecan. What's this from?
Almond.
Would you try it?
Yeah, pecan and almond. I like the pecan better.
Almond.
Thank you.
The pecan's better than the almond, I think.
No calories. Little factory here.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Haven't bought anything yet, but
Yeah, haven't spent any money yet.
not yet.
Amazing. Till right now, probably. 120
How much for two?
for two. How much? 220. So you get 20 off if you get two.
How much is that? $10.
Yeah, I'm trying to find my paper right now. I know I stuck it in here somewhere.
Is Karen looking for her little list of money?
I may have lost it already.
You had it out last night. You got it out of your wallet.
Bam!
Yeah. Just a little note. It is not 15 to 1 anymore.
Oh well, it's a rough idea.
Yep. All right. We can keep looking around. He's not the only guy selling that stuff, right?
Yeah. I think we've been around the whole place, though.
I think we have not. We haven't been through this part yet. Now we've been through the whole thing. That's where the music was when we came in.
Yeah.
Alright. I don't think this is the only spot we haven't been through. I think it's down here. I think it's the only spot we haven't been is down this road. And we probably were. Yeah, we were. Avocado? Well, what options do we have to eat here at the market? It's real estate. Did we do the far side? I know we walked through the Frida paintings.
Let's go. I think we did.
I think we did too.
It's not super big.
No, it's manageable. There's Kim and Al over there. Probably buying a shirt, I'm guessing.
It's every Monday from 8 to 1 or 2, I've heard.
Depending on how many people are buying whatever.
Yeah, well, imagine, yeah, if they sell out of something, they're gonna go home. Those are pretty.
Yeah, we've been down here. How much for the shirts, did she say?
I wasn't even sure who it worked from.
I think it's this way.
Well, that's going to be it for today's video. We hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Ring the bell if you want to be notified the next time we make a video. Leave a comment. We love seeing those. Coming up in the next video, we'll explore Rincon a little bit more. We're going to head down to the beach. We're going to go to happy hour, and we'll get something to eat at town at night. We'll show you how much that stuff costs, and we'll probably throw some other stuff in there. Hope you tune in next week. Until the next time, cheers. So what you have here is two choices. This is a win-win situation because both these videos are probably excellent. One's a little bit better than the other, but you're going to have to watch them both to figure that one out.